But till then, one protocol has to be followed. Atishi to step down as the Chief Minister of the national capital, Delhi. She has to hand over her resignation to the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi. This is more of a protocol because after Aam Aadmi Party's rout in Delhi, after a successful government of about 12 years, remember 2013 when they first won, it's 2025. But Chief Minister now, Atishi, even though she was, remember, in many ways a temporary Chief Minister, incumbent for now, she has had to step down. But remember, for her, it would still be smiles because she managed to retain her Kalkaji assembly seat, which many of the big guns of the Aam Aadmi Party could not. So, and this was while she was the Chief Minister, while Manish Sisodia, Arvind Kejriwal were behind bars. She was handling multiple portfolios as well. So, therefore, in many ways, definitely a victory for her. Even though Swati Maliwal and some others are asking, why was she celebrating when the whole party lost? Amit Bhardwaj joins me. Amit, what time is she expected to go to the Lieutenant Governor? Has she already reached there? What is it that you're picking this month?
Pooja, we are getting you the latest visuals from the Raj Niwas Secretariat. Right behind me is the Secretariat where outgoing Delhi Chief Minister Atishi is right now. So she will be handing over her resignation letter to LGVK Saxena. Now remember, this has been a very peculiar kind of relation between the outgoing Chief Minister Atishi and LGVK Saxena because at different point in time, there have been messaging from the LG Secretariat as to how the tenure of Atishi was much more cordial when compared to that of Arvind Kejriwal's tenure as the Delhi Chief Minister. And in different communications between the Chief Minister and LG Saxena, he had kept on harping of the fact that, things have been improving during Atishi's tenure if it is compared to Arvind Kejriwal's tenure in the national capital. So what is expected is that along with that, handing over of the resignation letter and the formality of pictures, there will be obviously a conversation between LGVK Saxena and Atishi. And after that, she is expected to brief the media out here. And we'll see as to what is the sentence framing from the Aam Aadmi Party about this rout in the national capital. Because remember, after that defeat yesterday, when Aam Aadmi Party was...
Tell me this, Amit. We are looking at the visuals of her garlanded. She's clearly all smiles. So, like you're rightly pointing out, it could be the first statement that Atishi says when she comes out of the Lieutenant Governor's Secretariat. Remember, one thing is done and dusted, and that is the constant confrontation between Aam Aadmi Party and the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi, who in many ways was representing government at the centre, led by BJP. Could that become easier now where both sides are the Bharatiya Janata Party? Tell me this, Amit. Swati Maliwal may have had to resign as the Chief Minister, but she still remains the Kalkaji MLA. It was a big moment for her. A lot of questions of whether she should have celebrated. What are you picking about this internal issue? Well, Swati Maliwal charging at her, but she nevertheless believing that it's worthy of a moment to celebrate.
It is, because this campaign has been really difficult one for as well. If you look at the Delhi campaign, while we were all focused on the developments of the New Delhi constituency, Kalkaji was also the turf where the political campaign had taken, unfortunately, the ugly turns that any political opponent or the political contender, electoral contender would not want to happen. And the kind of attacks that were made by her opponent, Ramesh Bidhudi, the kind of sexist comments that were made by electoral opponent, that had made the elections really ugly in Kalkaji. And we were actually pointing out the fact that because of this, the comments, comments that were made or controversial remarks.
Just as and when she comes out, what does Atishi say? We'll be tracking that and more. Atishi stepping down as the Delhi CM and as a protocol concluding the AAP era for now in Delhi.